Hi guys, welcome back to another video. So today we're going to be cleaning up the calipers, painting them, but the only thing is I'm not too sure what colour to go for. So do I go for black or do I go for pink? We'll wait and see throughout the video, see what colour I choose. I hope you enjoy it. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Enjoy. First of all, let's get this plate off. Taking that mucky old one off. First of all though, let's get this washing out on the line. The joys of living on your own, having to do all the washing. Right then guys, that's the washing all done. Well, out on the line anyway, fingers crossed it doesn't rain. Let's crack on with the car. I'm not going to bother showing you, jacking it up and taking the wheels off because, who wants to see that really? It's pretty boring, isn't it? If you don't know how to change a wheel, then you must be a dummy. Right then, let's get cracking. I'm going to clean them up first. Use a bit of the brake cleaner. Oh shit. Good wire brushing. Get rid of all the rust on it. There's another plate. Clean them up as best as we can. Obviously they're not the best, but it's cleaned up a little bit. Let's move on to the paint, which as you can see, just the drums are going to go black. So we will start painting them now. Rid of all of this rust completely. Not going to bother spraying them, just paint them on with a brush. Done before in the past in the cars and alright to be fair. Sure we don't put on too much because it's bloody windy out here. Sorry about all the wind noise, but anyhow, haven't got a mic at the minute, but hopefully at some point I will be. As you can see already, that's looking loads better. So after I've finished it, I will show you the finished product and see how it looks. And to be fair, that isn't looking too bad now. Just try and turn it. Just wait for it to dry up and that now. Hopefully I'm going to get looking a bit better now, aren't they? So I feel like I am going to get comments saying, oh, you should have sprayed them or you should have taken the spacers off. If you know me, you know I just bodge stuff, so I'm not really too fussed. I think it looks better and it should hopefully look good from a distance. So right, hopefully now. Move on to the front ones, let these dry for a little bit until I put the wheels back on. Maybe give it another coat, not too sure. I think it's covered up most of the rust pretty well, so I'll keep it like that. There's only going to be one colour I was going to do the calipers. Yeah, you guessed it, pink. So let's see how that goes. I think we want to. They're not the best, but at least they look alright from a distance. That distance is from around the bloody corner. But I can't be arsed wasting any more time doing them. See, I've done the rears black, which just tidies it up, gets away the rust. I think guys, I hope you enjoyed that video. Yes, it got a little bit messy, but don't forget to hit that subscribe and don't forget to like. And check us out on Instagram, Facebook, TikTok. Just message us on Instagram because that's where we normally mainly reply to. If you want any stickers or merchandise like these t-shirts. So name across the back and the logo. So thanks for watching.